Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the richness of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so excited to dive into today's word, analyze. This is a B1 level verb that means to examine something carefully to understand it better. Let's start with a closer look at analyze. It's a powerful word that often shows up when you need to think deeply about something. Whether it's a piece of writing, a situation, or even your own thoughts, when you analyze something, you're breaking it down into parts to see how it all fits together. For example, you might analyze a book to understand its themes or analyze a situation to figure out what went wrong. There are some great synonyms for analyze that can help expand your vocabulary. Words like examine, inspect, and study share similar meanings. For instance, instead of saying, the scientist will analyze the results, you could say, the scientist will examine the results. Or, the teacher asked the students to study the poem carefully. Each of these alternatives works beautifully, depending on the context. On the flip side, the antonyms of analyze reveal its opposite meanings. Words like ignore, overlook, and neglect stand in contrast. Instead of carefully considering something, these words suggest avoiding or failing to give it attention. For example, the manager chose to ignore the data instead of analyze it. Another could be, if you overlook the problem, it might get worse. So, how can you use analyze in your daily life? Imagine you're preparing for an exam. You might say, I need to analyze my notes to focus on the most important topics. If you're watching a movie, you could tell your friends, let's analyze the ending to figure out what it really means. These are practical ways to bring the word into your conversations. Here are some more examples of analyze in action. The doctor will analyze the test results to make a diagnosis. It's important to analyze the situation before making a decision. During the meeting, we need to analyze the feedback from our customers. To sum up, analyze is all about careful examination and understanding. It has some fantastic synonyms like examine and study, while its antonyms, like ignore and overlook, highlight the opposite approach. I encourage you to try using analyze in your own sentences this week. Thank you so much for listening to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show, and we appreciate it so much. Don't forget to share your own sentence using analyze in the comments below. I can't wait to see your creativity. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.